Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with the flavors of the month. So we have a cardstock add-on, a pattern paper add-on, and an embellishment add-on. We also have the Shots of Life, which coordinates as well, so we can give you more pattern paper and more embellishments if you want to pick that one up. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. Starting with our cardstock add-on, you'll receive 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. And these are not duplicates of any of the cardstock that's in the kit. It'll be 3 additional colors, and you get 2 of one color and 1 of another. So if you like doing double page layouts on cardstock, you'll have that option. Also note that because I filmed so early, that sometimes the cardstock names will change, but you will receive the same color. So it will still be a green in this shade and a red in this shade, and know that it will match the collections perfectly. Rochelle does a wonderful job matching up the cardstocks. So starting off with 49th and Market Nature's Haven, you're going to receive 2 sheets of Lily Pond and 1 sheet of Rouge. For Cartabella, it's Autumn. You'll receive 2 sheets of Rust Orange and 1 sheet of Celery. For the Doodlebug Summer Fun, you're going to get 2 sheets of Sea Glass and 1 sheet of Petunia. And for the Uniquely Creative Collection, Indigo Bloom, you're going to get 2 sheets of Deep Indigo and 1 sheet of Pink Icing. Moving on to our patterned paper. For our patterned paper add-on, you're going to get 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. And again, these are not duplicates. They are 2 additional patterns. So a lot of fun. I love my pattern paper, and I know most everybody is like me. So for 49th and Market Nature's Haven, you're going to get this one, Blossom Sprinkle, which is this pink with white polka dots, and then the florals and florals and strawberries to the side, and the little tree stumps here. Super cute. The back is a ledger with the mixed media on there, full branding strip. This paper is called Growing Wild. So we have a grid with some of those patchwork patterns that we saw in the patterned paper of the Flavors of the Month kit, along with the floral embellishments. The back is a red gingham with a green and white polka dot branding strip. For Cartabellas, it's Autumn. You're going to get this sunflower print. And the back is a charcoal with just the 4 little dots here. That paper is called Fall Florals. And then we have the pumpkins on this pattern with the leaves and an orange green. This paper is called Pumpkin to Talk About. For Doodlebug Summer Fun, we have a floral paper. This paper is called Pink Paradise. And the back is a tone-on-toned pink floral with the leaves. We have this paper called Beach Picnic, which is plaid with all of the different colors. And the back is the tag cut apart. So I love tags in collections. You can get a lot of use out of tags. For the Uniquely Creative Indigo Bloom, you're going to get this paper called Softly. So it's 6x6 grids. And there's also a coordinating die. So you'll notice on their paper, they always tell you that. A stitched nesting square die. So if you're interested in dies, or maybe you already have them, you can check those out. These would be great if you do smaller layouts, or just put them on a page, kind of overlap them together to make a background. Super cute. The back is just the prints without the embellishing florals and things. This paper is called Rosalie, and it's a great background with a frame. And the back is a pink watercolor. Full branding strip there. So one more look at all of the extra patterned papers you can add on. Our final add-on we're going to look at is the embellishment add-on. So again, all of these embellishments will vary from what's in the kit that you received. So starting with 49th and Market Nature's Haven, you're going to get 1 of the rub-on sheets. So I will say all of the embellishments will vary because these are portions of the embellishments. For the Cartabella, it's autumn. You're going to get 2 of the sticker sheets from the 6x8 sticker book. So these are the 2 that I got. I got some icons and some borders. And then from Doodlebug, Summer Fun, you're going to get a sheet of the mini stickers. So again, these will vary. But this is the one that I got. And then you're going to get a half a pack of the bow ephemera pieces from Indigo Bloom. And these are super cute. So they're cardstock weight. Some of these are really thin, delicate, and then other ones are big. So that is a look at your embellishment add-on. Be sure to check out the Shots of Life since it coordinates as well and can give you more pattern paper and embellishments. Be sure to check out all the other kits we have available in the store as well as individual items. We have lots of individual items, some past kits that you can kind of check out. I know a lot of them are on sale. So it's a great way to sample another kit that maybe you haven't tried before. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.